Dose is obsessed with your liver. That's why we created Dose for Your Liver, a scientifically backed wellness shot that cleanses your liver of unwanted elements and supports long-term liver health. Everything you consume has to be filtered through your liver. It turns nutrients into energy, removes harmful substances, it even breaks down fats and supports digestion. With potent ingredients in a clinically backed formula, Dose makes liver care easy and delicious. In fact, it tastes like a fresh cup of orange juice. Dose for Your Liver, organic wellness shots formulated by scientists, made for your liver.